Kia ora tātou te whānau o Awanuiārangi. Last week, after much discussion and assessment of our options, given the reappearance of COVID-19 in our community over the past month, we, the Council and Executive Leadership Team, made the difficult decision to cancel our 2020 graduation ceremony for our certificate, bachelor's degree and master's graduates. Yesterday, after carefully reviewing our earlier decision and based on further information received this week, we affirmed our earlier decision to cancel graduation for 2020. Since then, we have also decided that while they constitute a discrete group, it is impractical to hold a smaller graduation with our 2020 doctoral graduates, particularly with Auckland still operating at a different alert level than the rest of the country. We will, however, be acknowledging our honorary doctorate recipients at a gathering in the next month. These decisions were taken after careful reflection and after consideration of all of the feedback and advice available to us over the last several weeks. We know this is a huge disappointment for graduates and your whānau, and we share in your disappointment. We also know how difficult it is for you all not to have your whole whānau there to celebrate. So, we would rather hold a graduation at a time when we are not restricted so heavily by the health and safety implications that COVID-19 poses, which will enable all of our graduates to celebrate graduation together with their whānau and friends in a ceremony befitting of that achievement. As Chief Executive of Te Whare Wānanga Awanuiārangi, graduation is the event that I look forward to most each year. I feel hugely privileged to be able to witness the culmination of your academic journey with us through our graduation ceremony. Myself, our council, our executive leadership team are frustrated that the instability of the COVID-19 environment makes it impractical to hold large-scale events right now, like big graduations. While most of New Zealand, except for Auckland, is now at alert level 1, COVID-19 is still a very real threat to our community. There remains the potential for alert levels to change at short notice. New cases are still emerging, and it was not so long ago that one case turned into many cases following a large gathering. As late as yesterday, there has been a report of close contact with family who visited Taupo very recently, highlighting the very fluid state of COVID-19 and how its risks remain very real. A number of our tauira and kaimahi are considered vulnerable or at risk. We do not want to be in a situation where they are put at greater risk. I do want to stress an important factor in choosing to graduate our students in absentia rather than just postpone graduation until next year. Some of our students need confirmation or conferment of their degree as part of their employment or to secure employment, for example, for nursing and teaching jobs. We would be holding them back if we were to withhold conferring their qualification until next year. While we have cancelled this year's graduation, there will be the opportunity for all our 2020 graduates to attend and be acknowledged in our 2021 graduation ceremony, at which point we hope the COVID-19 situation will have reached a greater degree of stability on our shores. This will be a time for you and your whānau to celebrate openly with us, when we know it is safe to do so. Right now, we cannot guarantee this. Attaining your tohu is a significant achievement and symbolises the hard work you have put into get where you are today. Not being able to take part this year in our usual ceremony in no way diminishes the significance of your qualification and what you have achieved. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me directly if you have any questions or seek further explanation for why we've had to come to this difficult decision. I look forward to being able to celebrate with you in person in 2021. Nō reire e te whānau, ko te tūmanako kai te noho ora mai koutou i raru i ngā manaakita nō te runa rawa. Māna tātou au, katoa hei ara hei runa i ngā hutana kai te re haere runa i te ao. Nō reira, noho ora mai, kia ora.